In the U.S., an estimated 70% of cancer patients are diagnosed at late stages, 3 or 4, including diseases that can be screened and detected early by various methods. The chances of a cure for cancer increase when detected early. You need to pay attention to the state of your body and recognize some of the possible warning signs of cancer. What is cancer? Do you understand about it? Cancer is a malignant disease of cells. When stimulated by carcinogenic agents, cells proliferate in a disorganized manner and do not follow the body's control mechanisms for growth. Cancer is not a disease but a collective name for a collection of many diseases, which share the same basic characteristics of cancer, and there are more than 200 different cancers in humans. Cancer, depending on the extent of invasion to organs, blood vessels, nerves, or spread to the whole body. It can cause symptoms such as unexplained weight loss, fatigue, fever, persistent pain, digestive problems, swelling or lumps, swollen glands, skin abnormalities. How does cancer cause death? Cancer refers to a group of diseases in which the body cells begin to divide and grow in an uncontrolled manner, often invading surrounding tissues. Cancer causes death by invading vital organs, nerves or blood vessels, disrupting and destroying their function. Cancer can start in any cell in the human body. Cancer disrupts the breakdown and regeneration of cells. As a result, the new cells become more and more abnormal, and the old cells continue to exist even though the body has had to destroy them. New cells are also formed even when they are not needed. These excess cells can begin to divide uncontrollably, creating tumors. How can cancer damage the body? Number 1. For the digestive system. If there is a tumor in the digestive system, when it grows, it can partially or completely block the digestive system, making it impossible for food to pass through the intestines. The nutrients and calories the body needs will not be absorbed and metabolized. If there is a tumor in the digestive system, when it grows, it can partially or completely block the digestive system, making it impossible for food to pass through the intestines. The nutrients as well as the calories our body needs are therefore not absorbed and metabolized. Number 2. Cancer grows in the bones. Bone cancer causes calcium to be released into the blood, greatly affecting the balance of calcium in the body. In the absence of disease, the body will always have a mechanism to regulate calcium levels, but if the imbalance caused by bone cancer is too great, the regulation system will be almost disabled. In fact, it is possible to apply treatments to rebalance calcium levels, but only for a short time. Then the calcium status can still rise again in the blood. Such an abnormal increase in calcium can cause the patient to lose consciousness, even lead to death. Number 3. Liver cancer. The liver plays an important role in metabolism and other functions such as plasma protein synthesis, glycogen storage, and detoxification of the body. In the digestive system, the liver also plays a role in producing bile. The liver factory is responsible for keeping the balance in the biochemical reactions of the body. If cancer metastasizes to the liver, the chemical balance will be completely upset. There are clinical manifestations when having liver cancer: yellow eyes, jaundice, weight loss, abdominal pain in the liver. Number 4. Lung cancer. Cancer can block part of the lung. The organ then collapses and can become infected. When cancer blocks the lungs, the body doesn't have enough healthy lung tissue to absorb the oxygen it needs. If you have terminal cancer, you may not be strong enough to fight off a lung infection, even with strong antibiotics. So the infection can eventually lead to death. Number 5. Cancer affects blood vessels. Cancer can grow and damage blood vessels in an important part of the body. This can cause bleeding. For example, bleeding in the brain is a stroke, which can be fatal if not detected and treated promptly. Cancer is the second leading cause of death in the world, but not all cancers take human lives. Most early-stage cancers will not kill the person. Therefore, Medicine now encourages each person to perform early cancer screening to detect the disease at an early stage, so the chance of survival will be much higher,